Okay, Jiminy John is triple dog dared to jump into Turkey Creek from a pine tree limb 85 feet above the creek. He leaves the branch with a velocity of 5 feet per second. Use the formula, negative 16x squared plus initial velocity x plus height. Graph the function, include the x-intercept, vertex, and x-intercepts and y-intercepts. And so we graph all this. How many seconds will it take Jiminy John to hit the water? So let's graph our function. It's going to be y equals negative 16x squared. The initial velocity is 5 feet plus 5x. This will always be positive, and he's 85 foot above the water. So we're going to get our calculator. We're going to hit, think of something bad. I got something bad. Hit delete, delete, delete. Enter. It's gone. Then we're going to hit tab to get a new equation in. And then negative 16x squared plus 5x plus 85. Do I have it typed in right? Negative 16x squared plus 5x plus 85. Hit enter. Okay, we have our graph. Now we're going to go to trace. Menu 5-1 traces it, and we're at the top right here at the y-intercept. And remember, we're starting off at 0,85. So we're starting up right here at 0,85, aren't we? Now then, technically, he's going to jump up a little bit, and then he's going to go back down and hit the water, right? So we want this point and this point on the graph. So we're going to hit the right arrow button, and we're at our maximum at 0.156 seconds. So at 0.156 seconds, he jumped to 85.4 feet. Okay, so right here, the y-intercept is 0,85. The vertex is this ordered pair, 0.156, 0.156, 85.4. Okay, let me put that better. 0.156, 85.4. That's your vertex. And I'll put it back over here when we're done. And now we got to get the x-intercept. So hit the right arrow button, and notice that this number drops until you get to 0. Wow, he is in the air a long time. 2.47 seconds, and remember, this number would round to 0. So 2.47 seconds is 0. So 2.47, 0. So this point right here is 0.156, 85.4. And this number right here would be 2.47, 0. How many seconds will it take for Jiminy John to hit the water? 2.47 seconds. Okay. And now then, remember, we can answer all these. The y-intercept would represent the starting height. The x-intercept is when he hits the water. Or you could say 2.47 seconds equals 0 feet, can't you? What would the vertex represent? His maximum height. So he only jumps up 4/10 of a foot, doesn't he? Maximum height. And remember, your domain goes from this box to this box, and it's going to go from your x to your x. So your domain goes from 0 to 2.47. Okay, the range goes from this box to this box, and it goes from the y to the y, doesn't it? So the range goes from the lowest point to the highest point, or 0 to 85.4. Less than or equal to, less than or equal to. How high will Jiminy John be after 0.5 seconds? You get your calculator. We're in trace. Just hit 0.5 and enter, and it goes to the 0.5 seconds, which is 83.5 feet. So he's going to be 83.5 feet up after 0.5 seconds.